Okay, today we're opening a tin and hopefully pulling something from it. Okay. We're clean. The dark dry tin is out. Promos are the dark dry Sableye and Spiritomb. Now the good stuff. 3 packs, 2 Destined Rival, and 1 Journey Together. First pack. Team Rocket Station.
Bruh.
That'd be so. Is everything in the set like Team Rockets?
Yeah, just...
Codes. Okay.
But...
But
oh.
good to pack. Back to Journey Together. This Journey Together set is kind of like perfect order. It's not super like wanted. Cooked again. The heck? Okay, last pack. Destined Rivals. Hoping for some last pack magic here. I do like that Tauros art. More Pico's always cool. Gonna pull from SIR.
No way.
Oh my god! Cynthia's Garchomp. Oh my god!
Let's go!
Oh my god. Back home. Back home. Oh my god. That's why the other packs were so bad. Well, Cynthia's Garchomp. Goodbye.